and today we are going to talk about a topic called Shebang. Now, what is a Shebang? So Shebang is a characters sequence consisting of the characters, which are number sign, hash, and exclamatory mark at the beginning of the script. So combinedly, hash exclamatory is called as Shebang. Now, what is its use basically? So, like a Unix-like operating system, so when a script with a shebang is run as a program, the program loader passes the rest of the lines with initial line as the interpreter, so which is nothing but having hash exclamatory. So shebang denotes an interpreter to execute the script lines. The interpreter must be an absolute part to the executable program. So if you talk about the interpreter, so these are the general interpreters which are available in Linux operating system. So bash is the default shell, and you have other interpreters like Python, Perl, Ruby, and also even you have awk and set. Now if you see the example, so a simple Python script with a shebang mentioned is shown as an example here. What if shebang is not there? In case if shebang is not mentioned, then the program will be executed using the interpreter which invoke that particular script. If this particular example, if you see in a bash shell, I'm executing my script, and here in my case my script program will be executed using the interpreter bash, as my script doesn't have a shebang mentioned. So if you would like to override the default behavior, or if you would like to override the interpreter mentioned in that particular program without editing the script, yes, it is possible, and you can execute that particular program using the interpreter which you would like to. So assume my script.sh is having a bash shell which is mentioned in its shebang. So let's say if you would like to execute this particular script with C shell, yes, it is possible. You can execute that particular script with CSH and your script name. So the default interpreter mentioned in that program will be disabled, and your script will be executed using the shebang, which is nothing but the shebang which you are using to execute this particular script. So your myscript.sh is going to execute with C shell. That's all. Thank you.